We've added a new addition to our 270 awning, and that is the storm kit. We call it the storm kit because it's quite useful in stormy conditions when it's raining and the wind's blowing a bit more, and that is it's a special awning clamp that allows us to grab the side of the awning, and even you can open it up, tension it, so you can even squeeze in a bit of sidewall if you need to, and it runs down to a wishbone adjuster which goes to the peg, so you can create the tension on this line as you wish. And what that means is that if it's raining and you're starting to accumulate water, you can create runoff, and that's quite important on a 270 awning because a 270 awning tends to run out flat, so it will cause pooling, and too much pooling can cause stress and on the canvas and even a bit of stretch. So it's important to have a good storm kit to allow you to use this in the rain. And I must say, after Overland East, when we were rained out so heavily, the awning was hugely useful to keep the rain off, but the storm kit would have just added that extra